The UK is blessed with some of the world's most impressive and important buildings and monuments. But there's one problem that leaves a nasty mark on the heritage and splendour of those buildings. Pigeons. Flocks of pigeons roosting or perching on a property can potentially lead to damage to premises, and the unsightliness caused by their droppings can affect all kinds of buildings, both old and new. Droppings are not only unsightly, but are unhealthy if left over time. The corrosive uric acid in pigeon droppings can damage most building materials if left untreated. Without adequate prevention, the pathogenic organisms found in pigeon excrement and ectoparasites found in nesting material can cause diseases and other hazards. So, what is the solution? The revolutionary bird control system Bird-Free Optical Gel from Killgerm. A quick, easy to use and highly effective bird control treatment. Installation is simple, though the area you're working on has to be thoroughly prepared. Wearing full PPE, prepare the site by thoroughly cleaning the surfaces of all organic and fecal matter. Make sure all debris is removed, such as nests and old netting, and ineffectively applied spikes. In the affected areas, some staining may be left behind, but should not affect efficacy if all of the solid matter has been removed. It's important not to over-wet the area, because for the gel to be completely effective, the site has to be dry before continuing, otherwise this will inhibit the adhesion of the silicone. Bird-Free Optical Gel is a non-setting oil-based product supplied in a 250ml mastic-type dispenser tube, which is applied through a screw-on nozzle using a standard type corking gun. Apply a small amount of silicone adhesive to fix the dishes on the surface requiring protection. Each tube of Bird-Free Optical Gel is supplied with 15 low-profile clear plastic dishes into which the gel is dispensed. Bird-Free Optical Gel contains natural oils, the smell of which also helps repel the birds. It also has properties in it that birds see as ultraviolet, making it appear to them like flames. Place the dishes at regular intervals along the area to be protected. Bird-Free Optical Gel is a low-profile bird control product which is invisible from the ground, ideal for historic or architecturally important buildings. The effect is almost immediate. Birds will completely desert a habitat they've used for years once Bird-Free Optical Gel is applied. Birds will not only avoid the areas, but in some cases totally change their flight patterns. Displaced birds will then flock to untreated areas on the same building or to a completely new location. The gel will remain completely effective for at least 2 years after a proper installation. Bird-Free Optical Gel is an effective method of bird control that is humane, eco-friendly, and it works. When you're next faced with birds defacing buildings, remember Killgerm Bird-Free Optical Gel, the smart and long-lasting way to manage an age-old problem on buildings of all ages.